If Microsoft Word is showing error code 44, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. We'll cover signing out and back in with the correct account, repairing Microsoft Office, checking your Microsoft 365 subscription, and trying Word with administrator permissions. These steps are easy to follow, and they can help fix licensing, account, or permission issues that may be causing the error. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word. If Word is already open and you're seeing the error, go ahead and close it completely before starting. Once Word is open again, look for your account profile or the sign-in area. Sign out of all Microsoft accounts connected to Word. This is important because error code 44 can sometimes happen when Word is signed into the wrong account, or when there is a mismatch between the license and the account currently being used. After signing out, sign back in using the correct Microsoft account that has the active Office or Microsoft 365 license attached to it. Next, let's confirm that your subscription is active. Open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with the same account you use for Word. Once you're on your account dashboard, check your Microsoft 365 subscription or Office license status. Make sure it shows as active and not expired. If the subscription has expired, or it may not validate properly, and that can trigger licensing errors like error code 44. If everything looks active, continue to the next step. Now we're going to repair Microsoft Office. This is one of the most effective fixes when Word has stubborn errors. Open the Control Panel on your computer. You can search for it in the Start menu if needed. In Control Panel, go to Programs, then click Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 in the list of installed programs. Right-click it or select it and choose Change. You should see repair options appear on the screen. Start with the Quick Repair option first. This can fix common issues without taking too long. Follow the prompts and let the repair complete fully. After that, open Word again and see if the error is gone. If you still see error code 44, go back and run the Online Repair option if it is available. Online Repair takes longer, but it performs a deeper repair and can replace missing or damaged files. Give it time to finish and then restart your computer if prompted. If the issue still remains, try running Word as an administrator. Right-click the Word icon and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Word elevated permissions, which can help if the error is being caused by access or activation problems. If Word opens normally in administrator mode, that is a strong sign the issue may be related to permissions or account validation. At this point, you should also make sure Windows is fully updated, especially if Word is still behaving unexpectedly. Even though this tutorial is focused on Word error code 44, system updates can sometimes affect Microsoft Office activation and sign-in behavior. After updating, restart your PC and test Word again with the correct licensed account signed in. So, to quickly recap, the main fixes are: sign out of all accounts and sign back in with the correct licensed account. Check that your Microsoft 365 subscription is active at account.microsoft.com. Repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel, and run Word as administrator if needed. One of these steps will usually resolve the issue. If this helped you fix Microsoft Word error code 44, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.